Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. As you all might have already seen in the title, what we are going to draw in this video. I present you Joey Tribbiani. Okay, so this is what we are going to draw today. This is the smell the fart acting methodology as explained in season 2 episode 11. I hope you guys are as excited as I am. So without wasting any further time, let's get started. Before we begin, please spare a moment to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Also, please watch the entire video as I'll keep on explaining the process while I'm at it. We'll be going through these steps which will lead us to our final drawing. Understanding the facial orientation, composition of face, direction of face, blocking features with shape, and finally the rendering. To understand the facial orientation, it is very important to observe the direction of the face. Where the neck is turned to, what is the line of sight? To start with it, we'll first draw a circle or a sphere, whatever you wish to call it. Now, once we have a circle with us, we'll straight away find the T-zone. Basically, we'll be finding out the center point between the eyebrow and the direction of the face. This will help us determine the vertical and horizontal orientation of the features. Here, we need to notice that he is looking towards the left and his head is tilted slightly upwards. It is important to get this right in the initial stages. If this goes wrong, our entire drawing is going to collapse. It works like a domino effect. Be very careful in the initial stages. This also tells us what direction is the face actually pointed at. We know the drill. We'll basically be marking the areas now. Create circle, find the center line, and create a brow line to identify the horizontal and the vertical axis. Now that we have it done, there is one thing that I would want to make very clear. To explain better, I'll be using a kneadable eraser which I have modeled to look slightly like a human head. The line that you are seeing at the center marks the center line of the face. The one at the top is the hairline, and the one at the center, which kind of looks like an equator, is our brow line. So this is how it looks. Well, it is very far from accuracy, but it'll get the job done. Now, I'm going to turn this slightly to its left side so that we can understand how the facial anatomy works. So, here is the 3/4 view. Just notice how the visibility of the left hand side of the face is now only 20 to 30% of the entire face. We have to make sure that the width on the right side of the face will always be greater than the left side of the face in such cases. Keeping this thing in mind, let us start. If we roughly divide the frontal face into 3 vertical parts, we see that 2 parts of it goes to the right side of the face and 1 part to the left side. Another thing to notice here is that the vertical length between the center of the eyebrow till the bottom of the chin is roughly equal to the horizontal width of the face, starting from the tip of the left eye till the sideburn on the right side. If I draw a straight horizontal line from the upper part of the ear, I'll find the correct placement of the nose. We've also noticed that the nose lies somewhere in between the entire face, starting from hairline till the chin. This part is slightly tricky, but when practiced regularly, it becomes very easy. Initially, I'm going to tell you how you can accurately place the various facial features. We have to keep on finding relations in between the various points of the face. Like we found that the placement of nose will be somewhere at the center of the face. Likewise, we have also noticed that if we extend a line from the upper part of the ear, we will find the exact position of the nose, starting from the bottom of the nose and ending till the end of the chin. If I divide this area in 3 equal parts, the ending of the first part marks the beginning of the upper lip, ending of the second part marks end of the labiomental fold. Labiomental fold basically is the horizontal depression between the lower lip and the chin. Slightly above it will be the base of the lower lip. Now, let us start with the construction of the jawline. We are going to place a line as per a current reference. We might change it later on. As of now, this feels just okay. Now observe the left hand side of the face. There is an almost straight line running from the side of the left eye to the chin. Just remember this thing, we might change these lines in the later part of the sketch as the portrait evolves. These are just the guiding marks for laying the features, that is it. Now we will slightly modify the line so as to get the resemblance of the face. Now, let us mark the hairline and length, just marking the overall shape of the hair. We'll get into the details in the later part. Now let us mark the eyebrows and the eye sockets. I don't know if you have noticed this, but on observing closely, you'll see an inverted triangle. We'll be using this information to measure distance from the nose area and lay down the eyes at their correct location. After we are done with placement of eyes, we'll start with adding some shades to it. With this, we have come to the end of it. I hope you guys liked the process. Let me know in the comment section below. Make sure to drop a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. I'm doing a drawing series of all the characters from the TV show Friends. Stay tuned for more such videos. Till then, bye bye. Take care.